Hello, guys. I thought I was gonna do this short video. I hope you can hear that bird. It's amazing. In my neighbor tending to its garden. It's going to be a pretty intense end of the week. The whole week is intense, intention and stuff to do, and things are gonna be revealed. And maybe it's gonna start like with a bummed out kind of way, but then it's gonna pick up really soon, really fast, and just be careful on that climax. And which is gonna be on Friday, by the way, so watch out for Friday. And hopefully it's not gonna be too what? No. Oh my god. That kind of stuff. Well, I hope you have well, let's say knowing thyself kind of week. Kisses and hugs, and thank you for subscribing and liking and sharing.